Hi there! In this episode, I want to show you our first, long for us since we were beginners with only 2-month experience, trip from St. Croix to Grenada, crossing most of the Caribbean Sea. As we were sailing, we caught a mahi-mahi. It's also called dorado. We managed to get it out, being pleased by the wonderful fish.
Our fish of the day today.
Another one added to our collection. As we continued sailing, we saw dolphins, which was supposed to be a good sign. We found out our trip would be approximately 400 numerous miles, which would take about 4 days. The sun went down and we were getting closer to nighttime. As we were sleeping, the parents had a night shift, keeping track of where we were going. After 85 hours, we finally saw land, Grenada. We were screaming of joy. It looks very light on video, but actually we were very exhausted. Keep watch of our adventure on our YouTube channel, Sailing Mana Kai, and our website.